guys dare me to do a backflip off that? Oh, it just made me nervous. Freaking send it. Yep. Had to put these shoes on. When I'm wearing these shoes, you know I got one of these on my face. A helmet, yeah, and some goggles because it makes it easier to ski if the wind stays out of your eyes and you don't hit your head on a rock, so. You also want to tell you a story real quick. Getting ready down in the lodge, putting my boots on and so forth and whatnot. They usually play ski movies and stuff down there. I was watching a documentary about some professional skiers that went to Japan, how do you say that? Japan, you nimrod. Anyways, there was a dude there who was like 83 years old, still skiing. His dad skied till he was 80 and lived to be 100. Their son was a cellular biologist and studied specifically longevity of life. Through his studies of his dad and his grandpa, who were octogenarian skiers, he found that the biggest secret to longevity of life is a strong lower body, and skiing lends to that. Plus, the views are absolutely fantastic. Can't believe it's March 30th and the snow's still this good. It's warm. It's going to be a slush fest around noon, you can tell, but turns are good now. Wanting to try a back handspring on the grass.
Wait.
You ready? You gonna try it?
I don't know.
Here she goes, guys. Wish her luck. You gonna do it? Here she goes. First, wait! Oh! I thought you were gonna run! Okay, run and do it. Run and do it. You got it, go. Alright, she hasn't, how long's it been?
2 months? 3 months?
Avia broke her foot at cheer practice, so she hasn't been able to do her backflips like usual, so she's trying to get back into it.
My arms are so bent.
That girl. Lufus is getting it. Brock, of course, can get it.
I just feel like I like.
Dude, motorcyclers fighting with a Subaru. Oh, that's the double bird right there. Bullet bike, double bird. Okay, you guys, on the count of 3, when I say 1, 2, 3, action, I want you guys to do somersaults down the stairs. Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, action, go. No somersaults. Fail.
Go. Okay, ready?
Major.
Oh my gosh. No, I can't.
I'm going swimming.